Dear students, welcome to my channel Dear Little Learners. Today I am going to teach you lowest common multiple, and in short we call it LCM. What is LCM? The LCM of some given numbers is the smallest common multiple of those numbers. Okay, I think you don't understand. So now I am giving you one example. Suppose we have to find out the LCM of 6 and 8. So what we will do, first we will find multiples of 6, and as I told you, multiples of 6 is the answer of the table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So that the answer 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, these all are the multiples of 6. So here we are going to write first the multiples. So multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and so on. As I already told you children that multiples are unlimited, but we can't write all. So we are writing to some axis. Suppose here I am writing till 72. Now we have to find out the multiple of next number, that is 8. So multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and so on. Now we have to find out the common multiples of 6 and 8. So you can see the common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48, 72. So out of these, they are the common multiples. So LCM is the full form of LCM is lowest common multiples. That means out of these common multiples, we have to find out the lowest one, the smallest one. So here the LCM of 6 and 8 will be 24, because 24 is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. So children, like this we can find out LCM with the help of multiples, by writing multiples. Now children, I am telling you how to find out LCM by prime factorization method. For this I have taken an example to find LCM of 48 and 72. First we will find out LCM of 48, and how we have to, this is a method of division only we are using here, and first we have written here 48, and then because it's an even number, it is divisible by 2, so we have written here 2. Now you can see 2 2s is 4 and 2 4s is 8. So here comes 24, and 24 is also divisible by 2, so again we have written here 2. So the question we are writing here, okay, so 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Here comes 12 now. 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12. So 6, and 2 3s are 6, and 3 is a prime number. 3 1s are 3. So that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These all are the prime factors of 48. Okay. Now 72. We will find out prime factors of 72 also. 2 3s is 6. 72 is divisible by 2, so we have written here 2. 2 3s is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 and 2, it's 12. So 2 6 are 12. 36 again an even number. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 1, 16. 2 8s are 16. 18 is again divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 72. Now children, you can see that in 48 if we see, here 2 appears maximum 4 times, whereas in 72 2 appears 3 times. But the maximum number we have to take as prime factors. So now we will take 2 4 times. So for finding LCM of 48 and 72, we will take 2 4 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So it becomes 16. And if we see 3 is coming 1 time in 48, whereas 2 times in 72. That is the maximum. So that is the maximum 2 times. So here we will take 3 2 times to find the LCM, and we have taken 2 4 times. So 2 4 times when we multiply we got 16, and 3 when we multiply 2 times we got 9. So 16 nines is 144. That is the LCM of 48 and 72. So children, like this we can find out the LCM by prime factorization method. So children, I hope you have understood how to find out LCM. And please, if you like my video, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and comment also on my video. Okay? Bye bye children.